Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a Hoover brand washing machine and you're getting an E04 error and you're wondering what is this error and what can I do to get rid of it. So unfortunately this is not one of the easier errors to get rid of. So the E04 error is an error that comes up when the washing machine, when you start a cycle, it tries to take on a certain amount of water so that it can do its cleaning. And this will actually come up if it gets too much water. So the reason that it's getting too much water is almost certainly going to be the inlet valve that's in the back. So the inlet valve is going to either need to be cleaned because something is making it stick and not operate properly, or in most case scenario just going to need to be replaced. And this is generally not something that a homeowner is going to do on their own. It's going to be something that you're going to need to call out for service for. If you are interested in trying to do it for yourself, there's a lot of videos available about how to replace or clean the inlet valve. But in most scenarios, you're better off if you get this error just calling a technician. So anyways, hope this video helped you. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.